Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix unable to start a DCOM service in Windows 11 or 10. So how to fix it? So you can easily fix it. So firstly search CMD, so command prompt, right click on command prompt, run as administrator, click on yes, it asks permission, so and type this command line sfc space less scan now. This sfc space less scan now and press enter in your keyboard. So first command is this and press enter. Firstly type this command line and press enter, and second command I will give in decision box. If you comment, so I will give in decision box, so just copy and paste it this second command. If this both command process will be complete, so close it and restart your PC or laptop, and after restart you can easily resolve this problem. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching again.